Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Regular puzzle, a four-star Sudoku in today's newspaper on Friday, last working day of the week, Friday, February the 9th, 2024. And I've already solved one regular puzzle, the Sudoku with 3 stars. So 2 puzzles are left, the killer Sudoku and the 4 stars Sudoku. In this additional, we have also, in this daily newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 4 out of 7 I will solve in the evening. News of the day, well, there are more than 20,000 children abducted in Ukraine by Russia. Yeah, they are all transported to Russia. Those children, it's a war crime. Anyway, let me continue with the puzzles. 4 stars Sudoku number 7968. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Wow. This one has 24 printed digits. It's really a 4 stars. Yeah, 4 stars puzzle has always 24 printed digits. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. 24 printed digits, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, yeah, I need 30 minutes or more. Alright, let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 twos. We have here 3 threes. We have here 2 fours. We have here 1 5. We have here 2 5s. We have here 2 6s, 2 7s, 2 8s, and 4 9s. So the 9s are a majority. Can I start with a 9? Yeah, 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 place left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 9. 9 9. Well, 9 9 9 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. Okay. How about 8? I need 6, the 5. The 2 here. Need 6 here. Need 6 there. Oh, well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 6 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 6. 6 6 6. 6 6 6 6 6 6 6. All right. 1 1. Come on. 5. Well, we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So 3 missing numbers now in this row. For the numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. Then look with a 2 and a 3 in this second column. So no 2 and 3 in this box. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 1 is left in this row for number 8. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have 1 in this column. No 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 1 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Right, 7. We have a pair, the 1 and the 7 in this column, the 1 and the 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 this row, no 1 there. 1 should be, and the 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, and 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Alright. Did I make a mistake? No, not 1 and 5. 8 and a 5. 8 and a 5. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Almost made a mistake. Almost made a mistake. 2 missing numbers in this third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 6 and a 3, 6 and a 3. We have a 3 in the third row. No 3 there. 3 should be in. The 6 goes there. 6, 6. 3, 3. 3 in the third row. 3 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left. 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. Need a 3 here. 3, 3, 3. Need a 3. Yeah. 3 in this row. 3 in a row. Middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 6. So the 6 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. How about the 6 in this row? 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 4. 4, 4. 4 and the 2. Okay. 1 and the 8. Okay. How about? Need a 9 here. 9. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. Yes. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. 1, 4, 7. Let me think. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Need a 4 here. Alright. 4, 5, 8. Come on. How about the number 5? Need a 1 here. I need a 1 there. Yeah. Come on. thinking. Need a 5 here, need a 5 there. Well, I'm thinking 2. Need a 2 here. And no 2. Well, 2 missing numbers. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. Okay. The other pair in this big square, the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8. Let me mark those. How about 9, 8, 7. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 2, 7, 9. 2, 7, 9. 2, 7, 9. 2, 7, 9. And look, we have 7 and 9 in the first row, so no 7, 9 in this box. 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there, so 1 digit left in the last column for number 2. Okay. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for 9 should be there. Do we have all the 9s? Yeah. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. Alright. 2, 5, 2, 5, 8. Well. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in the middle column. No 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here. Could be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2 and a 4. Well, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and this box should be a 4. Alright. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this second row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here, 4 in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. So you have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. Right. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 7 and a 2, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Need a 2 here, okay. 1 and 8, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 8 and 5. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 1 box left in this column for number 1, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Then 4 and 8. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers in the first row are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Okay. So the 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3. The 4, the 5 is missing. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, the 6, 7 is missing. So 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next down, need 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Exactly. Well, I'm pleased with the time. Is it the 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1-star puzzle. So it should be at 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in a minute with the last regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.